So this is the other cargo rack I have, made by Maxsough. The thing I like about it is it takes up the full area of the roof, so it can maximize storage. It's also aluminum, so it only weighs 25 pounds. So the only thing I had to do to unique off-road product brackets is I turn them inwards, because otherwise it would be too wide to mount it. And I'm using most of the stock hardware. And up top here, I stole these brackets from the Harbor Freight cargo rack. And the other thing I like about this is it looks a lot sleeker. Kind of matches the lines of the YXZ. And I can side load it. The Harbor Freight rack, when you mount it, you have to get over that rail and load it from the front or back. And this is a little bit easier to deal with. Amazon actually sent me 2 racks. Their first, I ordered black, and they sent me a silver one by accident. So I doubled up on the slats here. So this is a little bit stronger though. Hopefully in a couple of weeks we can take our first camping trip and see how it goes. Right, badonkadonks? Unique off-road products, cargo rack brackets can be adapted to any number of off-the-market cargo racks.